Alright guys, we're back working this 2019 Forester. We're gonna take this right tail light off and show you guys how to take it off, put it back on, and then if you guys ever break one, you need one, you can call us. I've already made the other side video, so if you're looking for the other side, search. I'm sure it's probably next to this one. You need a Phillips screwdriver. There's just two clips right here. These two clips need to come out, and if you turn them, don't push too hard, they'll slide out. Look like that. I don't know if you can see them or not. Yeah, I'll put them right here. It's green. There's one more right here. Pop this guy out. This plastic piece, it's hard to get out. You gotta get behind it somehow. So, well, here, if you push right here, there you go. Just push right here. Put your thumb right here and push on it. It'll give you enough to where you can grab it, and then you gotta pull it out this way from the bottom, and then slide up this way because this lip can't get it over this. It's like the water drain spout, whatever thingy. And there's a part number for if you ever break it and need to order one. Then you got two tins right here. I would recommend unplugging the unit first for removing it. A little clip right here, push down and pull back. Very easy. And then get your handy dandy number 10. I don't recommend the power tool on this delicate stuff, but you can. I'm just a little more fancy than most people. And once those two screws are out, if you just grab it and just kind of just rock it, it'll pop out. It's held on with these. I don't know if you come around this way, you can see it's held on with these clips, and that connects into that. So let me go grab a new one real quick. Alright, I'm back with the new tail light. We're gonna go and put it in. So I recommend sliding this in from here and here into these two clips first. Slide those in, and you can feel the thunk going in. So, oh, don't forget to plug this thing back in. And make sure you hear that click. And then tens. This is my first time doing it. No, my second time doing it. First one was the other side. So. Oh! That's why I recommend not using power tools. Okay. Put this cover back on. Make sure you kind of slide it in this way. Then put these guys back in. And that's it. It should take you literally 1 minute to replace the taillight, and the dealer would charge you $120. So if you guys like wasting your money, take it to the dealership. If you like saving money, call me. We might have the taillight, we can sell it to you. Watch the video, get it put on. Check our website, buy something. If not, donate me some money for the good cause.